It's a bit of a grey morning here in not so sunny Filey. It's the Sunday and it's early doors. It's not 9 o'clock yet, and I thought I'd sneak out, go for a little walk, because there's a geocache in the town centre, and I thought I'd see if I can have a look for it and find it. This on the left here, when I was a kid, this was the police station. As you can hear, the gulls are active this morning. And it's somewhere in these memorial gardens. Might as well have a little walk around first. It's quite lovely in here in summer, but on this November morning it's not quite so colourful. And this aviary, been here since I was a kid. You see the budgies? Hello. So it is saying we're pretty close. Now the hint is, lest we forget. Morning. Hello. I'm getting a wet bum looking for this one. Can't believe so many people just decide to wander around this little garden. It's a rock. I was expecting it to be on the bench. Look at that. Crafty. Very clever. Nice, okay. So I shall just sign this. Hopefully it'll be dry. It is. This is only about my blinking gulls. 8th, 9th. Fine, so I'm still very much finding my feet with this. But I am really enjoying it. It's just something fun, a bit different to do. And it's outdoorsy and gets you walking. All wrapped up. Tucked back away. How cool is that? And it disappears again. So if you've enjoyed this little mooch around these gardens while I'm looking for this cache, please give my channel a like. Check out my kayaking and camping videos too, if you're into outdoorsy stuff. And thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. I think I'll just enjoy the angelic sound of the gulls. Yeah, right. Okay. See you later.